Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Soft Skill Development Week 7 Assignment 7. So the first question is Ancient Greek philosophy lacks persuasive potential owing to its lack of knowledge about modern scientific discoveries. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our first question is false. Now the second question is leadership is a communicative relationship between one person and others such that when one gives a direction and another gladly carries it out. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our second question is true. Now the third question is brain chemicals such as dopamine, adrenaline and noradrenaline are not important neurotransmitter for mental energy stimulation and motivation. Is the statement correct? Correct or incorrect? So the answer of our third question is incorrect. Now the fourth question is fear appeal may fail when there is. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is D. All of the above. Now the fifth question is dash is not a component of motivation. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is D. Persuasion. Now the sixth question is in the expectancy theory by Victor Vroom 1964. Expectancy is defined as the extent to which an individual believes that a certain action will result in a particular outcome. So true or false? So the answer of our sixth question is true. Now, the seventh question is this is a fascinating aspect of human social life, and if we treat people right, they will treat us right. So, these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C negotiation. Now, the eighth question is assertion. Persuasion is simply an honest form of manipulation. Reason persuasion becomes ethical only when the persuader disclose motives and evidence. So, the answer of our eighth question is D. A is false, R is true. Now, the ninth question is in dash negotiating style. Individuals easily give the other person concession in hope of strengthening their relationships, but tend to neglect their own needs in favor of helping the other person. So, these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B accommodator. Now let's go to question number 10. Consider the following statement. So these are the statement and these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B. Only A and C are correct. Now the 11th question is which of the following option are correct. So these are the statement and these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is A. A and C are correct. Now let's go to question number 12. Which statement is most accurate? So these are the statements and the answer of our 12th question is A. Now the 13th question is which of the following characteristics determine the leadership style of a task leader? So these are the statements and these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is D. All A, B and C are correct. Now the 14th question is which of the following are the foundation of effective negotiations? So these are the statements and these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is D. All A, B and C are correct. Now the 15th question is consider the following statement. So these are the statement and these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is B. Only A and B are true. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.